Okay, now we're going to take a fraction and make it into a decimal. So let's say I have 3/10. 3/10, you can hear it, is 0.3. 3 is in the tenth spot, so it's 3/10, just like that. Let's say I have another one, 6/10. Again, it's in the tenth spot. So 0 point in the tenth spot is the 6, so it's 6/10, just like that. Now let's say you have two numbers, like 22 over 100. So 22 over 100 is 22 hundredths. You can hear the hundredths. So 22 hundredths is 0.22. Another one is, let's say, 53 over 100. So if you have 53 over 100, it's in the hundredths, so 0.53. You have two spots there, 53 hundredths. Now let's say you have 4 over 100. So this gets a little confusing. So if you have 4 over 100, it's not like that. That's 4/10 because the 4 is in the tenth. So that's not correct. The 4 over 100, it's 0.04, 4 hundredths. So the 4 has to be in the hundredth spot. Don't get confused and put it in the tenth spot. It has to be in the hundredths. So another one would be like this, 9 over 100. That equals 0.09, 9 hundredths. Okay? All right, let's say we have one like this, though. Let's say we have 4 over 50. Well, the problem with this is that 4 over 50, you need to have the denominator be either 10, 100, 1,000. So we're a little stuck here, but what we could do is we could make an equivalent fraction. So we can make an equivalent fraction by making the 50 into 100. So to make 50 into 100, you again times the numerator and denominator by the same number. So I'm going to times it by 2 to get into 100. So I have 8 over 100. Well, 8 over 100 is 8 hundredths. So 8 hundredths looks like this because 8 is in the hundredth spot. Let's try another one. Let's try 12 over 25. Okay, so if you look at 12 over 25, I want to make 25 into 100, and to do that, I times the numerator and denominator by 4. So if I do that, I get 48 over 100. Well, 48 over 100 is 48 hundredths. So 0.48, because 8's in the hundreds, so 48 hundredths. Let's try one more. So let's say I have 2/5. Well, if I have 2/5, I want to get this up to the 10. So I times the numerator and denominator each by 2, and I get 4 over 10. So 4 over 10 is 4/10. So 4/10 looks like that.